So the tide's right out at the bird sanctuary. There's the beach way out there. There's the little bunny eating on the front lawn. And so the godwits are flying back from Alaska. There's the picture of the godwits. All the other birds we have here. Beautiful quiet area. It has a really nice walkway because it's been flooding so much that I decided to walk along the footpath. There's one of the streets down there. So you look this way and you think you're out in the wilderness, and right behind you is all the houses. I'd love to live here, looking at the view.